Hello and welcome to the new video where I present my investment portfolio. Portfolio update for February 2025. The portfolio can be viewed on the attached link in the video description. You can watch it whenever you want on DeGrin's website. My long-term vision is to contribute $500 or more per month to the portfolio, and to try to use that money to buy assets that will make the portfolio more valuable. Purchases will be both by DCA and by eventual purchase, when I assess that the asset seems well priced by the market. This portfolio will hopefully help me save enough for my retirement. The broker where I buy stocks and ETFs is XTB, one account in dollars and one account in euros, so that I can buy in each of these currencies without a currency conversion fee. First, let's take a look at how the portfolio fared in its first month of operation. The account is slightly in the black, and when we go through the individual positions, we see that it is mainly ETF positions that are losing money. Pfizer, a slight loss, and then positions with some small degree of unrealized gains. And somewhat unexpectedly, the most profitable position is Medical Properties Trust, with about 13% unrealized gains. But it's only the beginning of the second month of this portfolio, and these numbers are going to change a lot. And at this point, I'd prefer the stock price to drop so we can overbuy more in other and current positions. And as I noted in January, here it is. I'm buying Pepsi stock. Pepsi is a global player in the worldwide food and beverage industry and boasts a market capitalization of roughly $200 billion. PepsiCo stock is facing significant market pressures despite its global reach and high margins of over 50% and a 52-year history of dividend increases. PepsiCo operates in more than 200 countries and has access to retail market opportunities estimated to be worth more than $1 trillion. PepsiCo's recent financial results are very interesting. The company reported sales in excess of $90 billion for the past year, and margins in excess of 50%. The outlook for 2026 and 2027 point to possible earnings per share growth of 3 to 7%. Thus, I target $170 to $180 per share over the next 2 years. And at the same time, an interesting dividend. My valuation of PepsiCo puts me at a fair price, currently towards $150 per share. So I have already bought one share, and will continue to monitor and possibly buy more shares. The second new purchase is a globally focused ETF, a regular world-focused ETF from Amundi. This is the same ETF I already have in my portfolio in the form of VWCE. The difference is mainly the lower fee at a very nice 0.07%, and the price per piece, which allows me to focus on whole piece holdings without having to take fractional holdings. I have already bought the first 10 pieces of this ETF. Another new development in the ETF, or in this case ETC, space is the Bitcoin-focused X-Trackers Galaxy Physical Bitcoin ETC. Unlike the VanEck Bitcoin ETN, where the fee is 1%, the fee here is a more acceptable 0.35%. And the fee is very important when holding an asset for the long term. The lower it is, the less it takes from the asset and leaves for us to hold. For starters, I bought 2 units of this ETC, and I also set it up as a DCA to buy 2 more each week. And we're at the end of another video dedicated to my retirement portfolio. I have already entered the purchases into the DeGrin app, where you can publicly view the portfolio. The link to the portfolio is in the video description. To start off the month, we spent a sum of almost $660 on all new positions. I have purchased some new positions and also expanded most of the positions with additional pieces of stock or fractional holdings. I also keep almost $3,000 in cash in my account, in case I make additional purchases if a stock seems to be undervalued by the market and thus suitable for a rash purchase. And I look forward to your viewing, subscribing, or liking this and future videos dedicated to my retirement portfolio. The videos will come out irregularly, based on asset purchases and time to process into videos. You can support me by sending a donation through the Bitcoin Lightning Network. The Lightning Network QR code is on the screen, and the Lightning Network donate in the video caption. I wish you all a good year in 2025, and I hope we all see the same or better investment returns as in 2024. See you in the next video.